Hey there. If you're like me and you've been pouring your soul into your YouTube videos and your channel, with your videos, you're hitting publish and then just waiting, hoping the views will magically roll in, you're not alone, honey. But let me ask you this. What if your next upload didn't just sit there gathering digital dust, but actually getting views? Actually reaching the right people that needs to see your video, people who binge your content, smash that like button, and even hit the subscribe button. I'm sure you'll be elated. Well, Google ads can make that happen, whether you want to believe it or not, and today I'm going to break it all down. Yes, I'm no expert, but I do have a channel that's doing well. It's called True Travel Treasures. So from the setup to the strategy, I'll let you know in a way that actually helps you grow your channel, not just burn your ad budget. So stick around because in the end, I'll show you a super simple tweak that can double your ad performance. Are you ready? Let's get into it because I'm going to show you how even pro creators overlook this one simple tip. So let's get into it. Okay, why Google Ads for YouTube? Why would you choose that option? First off, let's clear something up. Promoting your YouTube videos with Google Ads isn't cheating. It's not cheating the game, it's just doing what's going to be best for you. You're not buying views. That's not what you're doing. You're investing in attention. Yes, that's what you're doing. The truth is, YouTube is crowded with so many people trying to rank, trying to get their channels out there in the YouTube space. Great content can still get buried because there's so many of us on YouTube. Google Ads is like a spotlight. You aim it at your video and you shine it right into the eyes of the ideal audience. It gets you those initial views, triggers the algorithm, and kickstarts organic growth. And that's what you really want. So, if you've ever wondered why do smaller channels suddenly blow up out of nowhere, sometimes it's just not luck. It's strategy. It's all about the strategy. Yes, it is. Setting it up without losing your mind. Okay, so let's demystify the techie stuff. I promise it's not that bad. First, you'll need a Google Ads account, and that's not hard to get. So make sure it's linked to the same Gmail account you used for your YouTube channel. That is important now. Once you're inside the dashboard, that's the YouTube studio, create a new campaign inside the Google Ads, sorry. And here's the key. When you're asked to choose your campaign goal, don't pick sales or leads. Try to avoid that. You're not trying to sell anything. Well, not initially. You're not trying to sell your socks off. You're growing a community of like minded people. So instead, select create a campaign without a goals guidance. Okay? Then you're going to choose video as your campaign type. I hope you got that. This will unlock more flexible ad formats. Now you'll see different video ad options. Go with custom video campaign. Make sure you choose that option. Why? Well, because this gives you more control over how your video shows up on YouTube. You're not letting Google guess. You're driving the bus. You are in control. And we'll get into targeting in a second. But first, just breathe. Let's take a deep breath, okay? Once you've done this, once you've done this once, it's smooth sailing the next time you create another Google ad for another video. The targeting secret most creators miss. Let's talk about it. Targeting. This is the difference between wasting your money and getting super fans. You could just say, I want people aged 18 to 44, which will be your target audience, people who like travel or tech or cats, whichever your niche is. But here's the problem, those audience are huge and not necessarily interested in you because they don't know you. So here's the hack, use placement targeting. What does that mean? That means instead of guessing your audience, you are going to put your video in front of theirs. Think about the YouTubers, your ideal audience already watching, the people that already watch you, and those video links, add those video links or channel URLs as your ad placement. Your video will show up before or beside the videos your audience is already watching. It's like hijacking them and getting their attention in a good way, of course. Okay, so and guess what? This is exactly what big channels are doing. Yeah, that's what they do to stay big and stay dominant on YouTube. Now we're going to talk about crafting the perfect ad that doesn't feel like an ad. Let's talk about it. The actual video. Because if you're promoting a 30-minute slow vlog, let's say, to cold traffic, the spoiler alert is that it's not going to land. It's not going to do well. Your promoted video should be short, punchy, and designed to hook fast and furious. Think of it like a movie trailer for your channel, honestly. Here's what works best. Start with energy. Address a pain point or curiosity. For example, ever wondered why your passport photos always suck? You're grabbing attention right there. It's a tease of what's coming and invite them to subscribe or watch the full version. So you're going to start up with a shorts with that um, idea that I just gave you. Also, turn on captions. A lot of views happen with the sound off, especially on mobile. When they're on their phone, captions can keep someone watching when they otherwise would have bounced. Reading the data so you don't burn your budget. Okay, so you've launched your campaign. Now what? Uh, That's a good question. Here's the part that people skip, checking their numbers. Head into your campaign dashboard and look at metrics like, let's see, your view rate, for example. Are people really watching? Because you have to know, or else you're going to be burning your budget all the way through, no matter how many days you set your campaign for. Look at the average CPV. Are you overpaying? Because then you're going to lose a lot of money that way if you're overpaying. Click through rates, that's important. Are they clicking through to your video or to your channel? That is important as well when you're when you're promoting via Google Ads. If your view rate is under, let's say, 15%, then go ahead and tweak your targeting or the video itself. If people are watching but they are not subscribing, well, maybe your hook needs to be reworked. Remember now, you're not just paying for views, you're actually testing what works. It's like market research in real time. That's what Google Ads is, and it gives you a lot of information so that next video you'll be able to, do better. The simple tweak that can double your results. Okay, remember I told you that there's a simple trick that can double your results. Remember I told you that in the beginning? Well, here it is. Create a separate landing page. So, landing video, sorry, just for ads. A landing page for your video, with your video for your ads. Don't just promote your latest upload. Instead, make a 60 to 90-second intro video for your channel that hooks, delivers value, and invites them to explore more about your channel and about your other videos. Think of it like your video elevator pitch, so to speak, for lack of a better phrase. This is the video that turns cold viewers into curious subscribers. And that's what you want to do. And once they're hooked, they're way more likely to watch your videos, watch your playlist, your regular uploads on their own without you to try to initiate that with them. And that's how you build long term organic growth. Here are my final thoughts. So, should you promote your YouTube videos with Google Ads? That's the question. If you're serious about growing your channel, as I am, and you want more control over who sees your content, the right target audience, then yes, 100% you should use Google Ads. The key is doing it the smart way. Focus on targeting. Create videos made for ads and watch your analytics like a hawk because you don't want to be losing money, as I said. If you found this video helpful, drop a like so the algorithm knows you're loving this content. This kind of content resonates with you. And if you want me to do a deep dive into campaign budgets, let me know in the comment section. Or if you want to know about conversion tracking or turning viewers into subscribers, I would love to know because I will do a video specifically for you. So leave that comment below and let me know. All right. And oh, and if you want a free template and checklist for your first Google Ads campaign, the link will be in the description. I've created that just for you and just for the people that are watching this video who are interested. And be sure to download my free video planning guide and my free viral video cheat sheet. Those two will help you to grow your channel organically. Yes. And if you want to take your channel up to the next level, I have a paid ebook that is instrumental. It will help you to grow your channel the organic way. It will help you to increase views and help you to get more subscribers. And all these links are in the description. That's it for now. This is your host Cheryl saying bye for now, but only for now. And until next time, go make something worth watching and then make sure people see it. That's it. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care now.